Hello, I wanted to show you my unboxed Elechomes Cool and Warm Mist Humidifier. I was looking for a humidifier that had both cool and warm, and ran across this one and found that it had those options and more that I like a lot. So I was just going to kind of show you what we've got here. I've already got it plugged up. We're going to add some water today, and adding water is extremely easy. The top just comes right off. And it'll hold a total of a gallon, but you just however much water you need to run your humidity. So we kind of fill it with water, and we're going to put some scent in the top. It's got a little filter, and just kind of pop that open, and it's got some holes in the top so you can drip a little scent in there, and comes out real nice. And today we're going to do rosemary. So the function is super easy. The buttons are in the front. You've got a LED display that shows you your settings, your on and off button, your minimum and maximum speeds, your timer, the humidity level, which you can set anywhere from 30 to 100%, screen off button to turn the LED off, the heating button to get the warm mist, and the child lock and the sleep buttons. So we're going to power up, and instantly we have steam. With many other humidifiers, you have to wait for the steam to start happening. With this machine, the steam is instant. In this case, we're running full hot and getting steam. So it's going to measure, I'm going to shut it back off, but it's going to measure the room's humidity and keep it at whatever setting of percentage of humidity that you would like in the room. And comes with the instruction manual in 4 languages: English, German, French, and Spanish. And it comes with the remote control and the cleaning bracket and the extra filters, which are easily replaceable throughout the system. So the cool and warm mist humidifier from Elechomes, and we really love this unit, and we'll be adding these to a couple more rooms very soon.